Hey everyone, so today we're gonna put this bumper that I built onto that truck. It's not done yet, I still have some stuff to do, but what I wanted to do is get it up there and put the mounting brackets on there. So what we're gonna do first is take that bumper off. So what you need to do, there's 4 bolts, 13/16 inch wrench. There's that one there, one back there, and then same on the other side. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got the bumper off. There was a couple more bolts that I forgot about. There's one there, there, and there. I don't know how I'm gonna do this exactly. Maybe I can. Is that bolted on? That's just bolted there. I'm wondering if I can just use these bolts and put them on the new bumper somehow. We'll see. So now what I'm gonna do is take this and just prop it up to where I want it. And then I'm gonna get some plates to put on here. I'll drill some holes in there and then weld it onto here, weld it onto the new bumper, and should be good. Okay, I kind of have it where I'd like it to be, I think. So what I'm going to do, I know it needs to be a little bit higher. So what I'm gonna do now is I need to make a welding point or a mounting point there, and then same with the other side. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know if I'll video it, just because it might be boring. So I'm gonna do that now, and guess we'll see what happens. Okay, so I just welded these together. Hot, idiot. Just welded those. I'm gonna weld them onto the bumper now from the back. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do it. And drill some holes into here so the bolts can go through there. So that's how I'm gonna weld it on there. And then eventually I'll put something there, but for now we'll do that, and then we'll do the same to the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then come back. Okay, so I got those welded on there now, both sides. I tested it and I totally forgot to video it. So now I'm gonna drill holes. I marked my holes. I did that one. And I'm gonna do that one now, and I'm just gonna keep stepping it up until I can get this bolt through there. So let's go. That's probably hard on the ears. I got these mounts welded on now. I didn't think you'd want to see me welding. So now I'm going to take and bolt it on the truck. I got it mounted now. It's bolted on. I think it looks alright. So I think that might be it for this video. My battery's apparently gonna die. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions on how I did something, put it in the comments. And the next video will maybe be putting some more mounts on there. I have to put some more angle pieces coming in like this to finish it off. But I'm going to leave it like this for now. And then we're going to paint it. So we'll prime it, paint it. Thinking I'm going to do the same color as the truck. It's like a dark gray. See if I can't find that. And then there'll be more videos. I want to put a light bar on the top. I have a light bar that'll go on the bumper here. I might do that today. I probably won't film it because my battery's dying and I didn't bring a charger. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.